Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the CALPALMY 2-pack 14-inch bike inner tubes. Hands down, the best 14-inch bike tube you can get. Whether you're dealing with a kid's bike, a road bike, or a mountain bike, these inner tubes will have you covered. The first thing you'll notice about these tubes is the quality. Made from heavy-duty butyl rubber, these tubes are designed to be durable and reliable. Butyl rubber is known for its excellent shock absorption properties, meaning your ride will be smoother, even on bumpy surfaces. If you've ever ridden on rough roads or trails, you'll appreciate how well these tubes help to reduce vibrations and improve comfort. They're 4 times thicker than most other inner tubes on the market, offering additional protection against punctures and other damage. Installation is straightforward. These tubes come with a Schrader valve, which fits most kids' bikes, as well as road and mountain bikes with 14-inch wheels. It's a no-hassle fit, making it an ideal replacement option. You won't need any specialized tools or experience to get them installed, just a basic tire lever, and you're good to go. And with 2 tubes in a pack, you've got a backup in case anything goes wrong. Another standout feature is their impressive safety design. These tubes are made to create an airtight seal in case of a puncture, preventing further damage to your tire and offering peace of mind while riding. This makes them perfect for all weather conditions, so whether you're riding in dry weather or rainy days, these tubes can handle it. What sets these tubes apart is the great value they offer. For an affordable price, you're getting 2 high-quality tubes that perform just as well as OEM replacements, if not better. They fit a wide range of kids' bikes, including models like Royal Baby, Schwinn, Dynacraft, and Joystar, just to name a few. So, no matter what brand of bike you have, CALPALMY's inner tubes will likely be a perfect match. And don't just take our word for it, these inner tubes have received thousands of positive reviews. Riders have praised their durability, comfort, and ease of installation. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a parent fixing up your child's bike, these inner tubes are a reliable choice. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best 14-inch bike tubes, the CALPALMY 2-pack is the clear winner. They're durable, easy to install, safe, and offer great value for money. Don't settle for less when you can get premium quality at a budget-friendly price. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great product reviews. Happy cycling!